Good morning. Philippa here from Be Green. I'm currently at Parc Jean Drapeau, one of my happy places where we love to come and feed the birds. So this morning we came to feed the chickadees, mainly chickadees. Sometimes if we're lucky we get woodpeckers and cardinals, but they're less willing to come and eat out of our hands, you see. So if you're lucky, you'll see a bird land here. But there was a time when we used to love feeding birds in parks and go feed the ducks. And seagulls are pretty much scavengers. They'll eat anything. But little birds like chickadees, little wild songbirds, have very sensitive stomachs. And bread is actually the worst thing for them. As you know, bread is, for the most part, made with wheat, which contains gluten. And bread is also made with yeast and sugar and milk and oil. And these are all ingredients that, although they taste good to us, are actually detrimental to birds. Sensitive, sorry, they're just flying around everywhere, to their sensitive digestive systems. So my green tip for today is, if you go out and feed birds, get proper bird seed. I happen to have a handful of sunflower seeds that I bought at the health food store. They are organic, raw, so there's no oil, no salt. They haven't been roasted, but they've been shelled. And I'm going to stop talking in a minute, and perhaps a bird will land here, and you can see. So that's my green tip for today. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day.